Have you ever wondered what it looks like to live like a $500 million quarterback? Well, buckle up because we are about to take you on a wild ride through Patrick Mahomes' lavish lifestyle. From private jets to multi-million-dollar mansions, get ready to be amazed by the opulence that surrounds this superstar athlete. But before we dive into the world of luxury, let's talk about the man himself. Patrick Lavin Mahomes too is not just a name in the world of football, he's a phenomenon. Born on September 17, 1995, in Tyler, Texas, Mahomes' journey to greatness began in his youth. By the time he was in high school, he was already a standout player, setting records and turning heads with his incredible skills. His talent led him to Texas Tech University, where he continued to shine and eventually caught the eye of the NFL scouts. In 2017, he was drafted by the Kansas City Chiefs, and the rest, as they say, is history. In 2020, Mahomes inked a massive deal with the Kansas City Chiefs, raking in a staggering $503 million over 10 years. This mind-blowing contract made him the highest-paid player in the NFL, solidifying his status as a true superstar. With such a massive payday, you can bet that Mahomes has been living the high life. But how high exactly? Let's find out. Welcome to the world of Mahomes money. We all know that quarterbacks make big bucks, but Mahomes takes it to a whole new level. While the average NFL quarterback earns around $6 million per year, Mahomes is in a league of his own, pulling in over $50 million annually. And it's not just about his salary. He's also raking in billions through endorsements and sponsorships. With brands clamoring to get a piece of the Mahomes magic, this guy is truly a walking, talking, money-making machine. Just imagine having that kind of cash flow. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. Now let's talk about his latest mega deal with Adidas. The details are still under wraps, but rumors are swirling that it could be worth anywhere from $10 to $15 million per year. If that's true, it would bring his total earnings to a whopping $65 million per year. Now that's what we call living the dream. But here's the thing. Mahomes isn't just some flash-in-the-pan quarterback. He's consistently ranked among the top earners in the NFL. In fact, he's been the highest-paid player for 3 years running. And with his recent contract extension, he's set to remain at the top of the food chain when it comes to salaries. So if you're wondering how much Mahomes will make in the next 5 years, buckle up because it's gonna be a wild ride. Industry insiders are predicting that he could earn anywhere from $250 to $300 million. That's right, we're talking $500 million in just 5 years. Now that's what we call serious bank. Alright, let's shift our focus to another aspect of Mahomes' lavish lifestyle, his jaw-dropping real estate portfolio. We all know that athletes love to invest in property, and Mahomes is no exception. In 2021, he made headlines when he dropped a whopping $8 million on a stunning 8-acre estate in Cass County, Missouri. And let me tell you, this place is a true slice of paradise. The mansion boasts 6,000 square feet of pure luxury with 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. But that's just the beginning. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a grand 2-story entry hall with a breathtaking view of the backyard oasis. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and granite countertops. But it's the outdoor space that truly steals the show. Get ready to unwind in your very own private golf course, practice your swing in the chipping area, or shoot some hoops at the basketball court. And let's not forget about the wine cellar with its 500-bottle capacity. You'll never run out of your favorite vintage. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the estate is the custom indoor basketball court. With hardwood floors, bleachers, and a retractable basketball court, it's the perfect place to shoot some hoops with friends or practice your layups. And when it's time to relax, you can head to the theater room for a cozy movie night or work up a sweat in the fully equipped gym. This place has it all, but that's not all. Mahomes' real estate portfolio is truly a testament to his success. In 2020, he purchased a $2.6 million condo in downtown Kansas City, Missouri, and a sprawling $1.9 million estate in West Hills, California. With multiple properties under his belt, Mahomes is definitely living the celebrity real estate dream. And let's not forget about his latest acquisition, a palatial 15,000 square foot mansion in Austin, Texas, for a cool $32 million. Talk about making a statement. With so much real estate under his belt, it seems like Mahomes' real estate empire is just getting started. But wait, there's more. Let's take a peek inside the garage of this modern-day legend. What kind of cars does he drive? Well, get ready to be impressed because Mahomes' garage is a true testament to his success. With a net worth of $500 million, he can afford to drive anything he wants. And boy, does he have a sweet ride. From the sleek Ferrari 812 Superfast to the luxurious Rolls-Royce Cullinan, these cars are not just status symbols, they're a testament to Mahomes' dedication to excellence. With top speeds of over 211 miles per hour and powerful engines, these supercars are just as fast as Mahomes on the field. And if you thought that was impressive, wait till you see his custom Mahomes mobile golf cart. Yeah, he's got his own personalized golf cart. It's like a mini SUV with custom paint job and top-of-the-line features. No detail is too small when you're a superstar like Mahomes. But don't worry, he's not all about the flashy cars. He's also got a soft spot for classic automobiles. With a wide range of vehicles in his garage, Mahomes is sure to make a statement wherever he goes. Well, folks, that's a glimpse into the extraordinary life of Patrick Mahomes, the $500 million quarterback who's taking the world by storm both on and off the field. From his jaw-dropping contracts to his stunning mansions and his impressive car collection, Mahomes is truly living the ultimate luxury lifestyle. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through the world of one of the richest quarterbacks in the game. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on all the latest news and updates. Until next time, stay tuned and keep an eye on this rising star. Who knows what new heights he'll reach next?